All right, what's up, guys? So I got this truck here I've been working on, and I was replacing the fuel pump, and the gas tank was held right up against the frame, and it got all rusty because it was holding the moisture in there. So we need to fix it. Let's get to it.
All right, here's the Rustoleum undercoating. Let's test it out. Resist rust, paintable, and it's rubberized. All right, so we're going to be using this on this truck. You can see the rust and the dirt on the right, and I've painted some rust converter on the left.
They got this rust converter. You can get phosphoric acid or rust converter, and you paint it on there, and it'll convert all the rust. And then you spray this stuff on top of that. That way you're not spraying over rust.
So when we spray this stuff on there, there's no rust under it. You can see the difference so far. You can see on this truck frame, there's some rust going on, and most of the coating is already worn off. So this is before. We need to apply some of that stuff, and we'll see the after. You can get in there with a wire brush, get some of the old coating off and some of the dirt off.
So I pressure washed it first, obviously, to get it nice and clean.
So I sprayed it with one coat, then let it dry and came back and hit it with another coat. So what I did was I got a piece of cardboard to protect where I don't want the coating. All right, so that did a great job. Here's the finished product. You can see it's nice and coated all the way down. Nice black coating. It's nice and rubberized. It's gonna hold up great. Here's a shot of the frame right here. It did a great job.
I'd recommend 2 cans if you're trying to recoat the whole frame of a full-size pickup truck or SUV. That way you don't run out.
I did most of the frame with one coat. It got me about half a can. Here's the finished product. It's nice and rust-proof and waterproof.
So that should last a long time and prevent the frame from rusting. I'll check you out on the next one. Later.